back to the hospital. And see all the different trees and whatnot. What they deal with it too, isn't it? You just have to go up to the head. So it's a corner type land in the shop.
That's good.
Our cheese is alright. And it goes around it.